Hi, my name is Bhanukriti and I'm a software engineer at Mastech. So initially I joined IOCT and it was a course of core Java and advanced Java both together. And I would like to thank all the mentors, that is Prachi and Nisha, who taught me the program language from the basic to the advanced level, all the hooks concepts and all the basics of programming functionalities. Lastly but not the least, I would like to thank IOCT to help me grabbing the job. That is my dream job to work as a software engineer at an MNC company. So thank you IOCT.
Hi, I am Zen and I am very happy with IOCT. I have been looking for a good course on Python and was struggling to find less expensive one. IOCT is very affordable and the course is interesting too. I would recommend anyone who wants to learn Python.
Hello everyone, my name is Tanya Merchant. I have been taking MS of course from IOCT. I am very much impressed with the teaching as the concepts were made very easier to understand and the teachers.
Hi, I'm Shubham Mewada and I'm very happy with Institute of Computing and Techno Science. I was finding for a programming course and I was really having a hard time for finding which is not too expensive. IOCT is very affordable and interesting too.